how to add custom fields in Pipedrive under deals and persons. So in this video, I'll show you how to add custom fields in Pipedrive under deals and persons. So to do that, you need to go ahead and head over into the data field settings. So click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen, and then under that, go ahead and click on company settings. So that will take you here. Now head over into the data fields tab under this. So under the data fields tab, go ahead and head over into the tab where you want to add custom fields. So since what we want to add custom fields on the deals and person, we'll need to head over into the lead or deals first. Click on the plus custom field button at the top left of that, and then in here, go ahead and configure the field. So give it a clear descriptive name such as a text, date, single option dropdown, multiple option dropdown, monetary value, or formula. And then set the field group, organize fields into logical sections. Visibility, decide where the field appears, and permission, set who can view or edit the field. Now after that, click on the save button at the bottom right of that pop-up. Then do that again into the persons tab, which you'll find beside the lead or deal tab. So in here, click on custom field as well, and then go ahead and set the field name, field group, field type, user specification, and places where shown. Now you can also set the quality rules such as required or important, and then click on the save button at the bottom right of that pop-up once you have set this all up. And that is how you can basically add custom fields in Pipedrive under deals and person. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.